Hey, it's Dave from Matter Hackers, and there's a lot going on right now, but I wanted to give a quick update about what Matter Hackers has been up to. While most of the Matter Hackers team is working remotely, myself, I'm in my garage 3D printing next to my surfboards, working from home. I want to let you know that fulfillment and we are shipping orders. You can reach out to us. All of our sales folks, support folks are still hard at work from home, and fulfillment's still happening in both warehouses across the country. So any of your 3D printing needs, accessories, materials, we've still got you covered. In response to COVID-19, Matter Hackers has created a hub with the intent of connecting those who can, if you have a 3D printer, with those who are in need. So the hospitals and medical facilities that are looking for 3D printed equipment to fill the gaps in the current supply. You can register your 3D printer today to be part of the solution. Also, if you are a medical facility or a hospital in need of some of these things, please register so that we can hook you up with a local person to create those things. Check out the links below to access that hub. We also want to let you know that we will have regularly scheduled programming. The way that the marketing team works here at Matter Hackers is we're a few weeks ahead. So we may publish regular content, regular things, and that's not to be insensitive of anything that's going on, but that's kind of the buffer we have and wanted to totally address that. Meanwhile, I'll be certainly doing some videos from the garage here while we're working at home and trying to keep everybody within 3D printing and digital manufacturing up to speed on what's going on and how you can help and how Matter Hackers is helping. Stay safe, and thanks so much.